If you're anything like me, then you've probably noticed by now that screen-accurate Harley tattoos are not sold anywhere for a decent price. However, I'll be showing you how to make your own. I'm doing this for a Birds of Prey cosplay, so I'm not going to include her 2 stomach tattoos and lower back tattoo, since they did not appear in the movie, but all of the other ones I've shown did appear. So if you're doing this for Suicide Squad Harley, just add those 3 in the same way I'm going to show you the rest of them. First, I went to batmannews.com, where there's a really good Harley Quinn tattoo guide by Chris Begley, where I'm going to get the images from. First, I'm just going to download all of them and then go into Google Doc, insert, drawing, new, and bring in all of the images, cropping them as much as possible and mirroring them by flipping them horizontally. Make sure you do that, it's very important. Also, 4 of Harley's tattoos changed in Birds of Prey following her breakup with the Joker. The J on her arm became a siren, the puddin on her leg became puddin cups, and 2 of her Joker-related leg tattoos were crossed off. If you look closely, it is obvious that these were added onto her tattoos at a separate time, not done at the same time as the original ones, which is why I'm not going to include those parts of them on here, and I'm just going to do them with Sharpie because I want them to have that different look. I used a set of PartyCity tattoos that I had from a few years ago to get the sizes of mine right and correct. And once all of those sizes are correct, I'm just going to print them out on regular paper first to make sure that everything is good before I go on to the tattoo paper. Getting all of the sizes right took me around like 6 or 7 tries, so you're gonna have to play around with it a bit. Once everything is correct, I'm just gonna print them out on the tattoo paper, carefully following the rest of the instructions on the back. Lastly, I'm just going to cut them all out as close as possible to the image, and now they are ready to be applied. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.